Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today we are out in the garden here at Crystal Cottage because I have once again been out raiding the rack, and this time I have come home with some real bargain garden plants, and I just can't wait to show you what you can get at this time of year. Now it's September now, and this is when bargain time starts. So let me just show you the couple of plants I came home with today. So the first plants I want to show you that I came home with today with a real fantastic bargain price is this beautiful bunch of Gladiolus here. And the colour of this one I've come home with is a very kind of pink, pastel pink to dark pink colour going on purple. And these plants, if you look closer, look extremely healthy, right? There's nothing wrong with these at all. So I actually got myself two different colours of this plant. This one is a much more peachy colour, different tones of peach, and this one different tones of pink. So I got two pots of the pink and one pot of the peach because that's what they had when I was there. So I grabbed the whole lot. Now, these were reduced from 209 Swedish kronor a pot to just 49 kronor a pot. Now that was a huge savings. So the next plant I have to show you here is this Digiplexis berry Canary. And this is an absolutely beautiful little plant. It is a shorter growing Digitalis plant, so the foxglove family. And you can see from the leaves and from the flowers that it is a type of foxglove. So if we look at these flowers that are still going on here, we're lucky enough to actually get to see some of the flowers and the colour they're going to be. These are also a peachy, creamy colour. So look at those, aren't they gorgeous? And then there's actually one over here as well. And all this green going on, and it has more flower buds actually coming out, and ones that are spent and seeds that are coming out. And I don't know if this is actually a sterile plant or if it will be able to seed itself around the garden. If it does, I'm very happy about that because it's a beautiful little plant, as you can see, with these flowers. So imagine it when it grows out and it has lots of stalks with these flowers coming up in the summertime. Now this plant, and I'm going to go and get the other one to show you them both at the same time. So look at this one. This one has a longer stalk and you can still see the flowers there. So I got these two beautiful plants. They were reduced from 199 Swedish kronor a pot to 49 Swedish kronor. So you can see that I have made a saving of almost 300 kronors. And as you heard with the Gladiolus, they were also 209 kronor a pot, reduced to 49 kronor. So I got those for just a little bit less than 150 kronor as well. What a huge saving on these beautiful, beautiful plants for the garden. Now, I am telling you, you have got to get out to all the different garden centres between September and November, because that is where you're going to get perennials that are on sale. Bushes, plants, evergreens, all sorts of things that need to be cleared so they can tidy up ready for the next season. And these plants, we know they wither away and then they come back next season. So once you've planted them once, you know you're going to get them again and again. So what a great bargain. Get out there and get yourself some perennials on sale. So these are the two different types of plants I came home with today while out raiding the rack. So now I need to go and find myself some places in my garden to fill up, and I will know next season I'll have new varieties of plants in my garden that I actually don't have in these colours, and I don't have Gladiolus at all right now. So I've got something spectacular to look forward to the next summer season. You just got to have a bit of patience. It's like 8 months wait, but it will be well worth it. So all I have to say to you now is thank you very much once again for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you know when my next video will be uploaded, and I will see you again very, very soon. Goodbye.